Olivia's journey in creating an unbreakable community of devoted, long-term clients begins with a simple yet profound principle: putting the client first in every interaction. Beyond merely providing a service, Olivia nurtures deep-seated relationships rooted in sincerity and trust. Her artistry extends beyond lashes. It involves understanding the person beneath them. Olivia takes the time to genuinely get to know her clients and their lives. She listens, asks questions, and takes a sincere interest. When a client's lashes require a break, Olivia openly advises them to embrace their natural beauty. Even when clients yearn for treatments that might strain their lashes, Olivia's commitment to their well-being shines through, guiding them away from potential harm. This approach often means foregoing immediate gains, but the lasting bonds formed speak volumes. Clients recognize Olivia's authentic care, viewing her not just as a service provider, but as a friend and confidant. Olivia's secret is treating clients as more than financial figures, investing in their happiness, and reaping the rewards of unwavering trust, fierce loyalty, and a thriving beauty business. Ready to embark on this exciting journey to grow your business? Follow us on YouTube for more in-depth videos that delve into the art of fostering client relationships and building a beauty haven that transcends transactions. Let's create lasting connections together.